Standard 11th Business Mathematics Exercise 2.5. By the principle of mathematical induction, prove the following. Your second question, 1 into 2, that is dot is there. It means that 1 into 2. So 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4, plus etc. plus n into n plus 1, that is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 3 for all n belongs to capital N. Let P of n is equal to, your question as it is, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus etc. plus n into n plus 1, which is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 3. So your step 1 is put n is equal to 1. So wherever n is there, just put n is equal to 1. LHS is, just see wherever n is there, just put n is equal to 1. Okay, so 1 into 1 plus 1, which is equal to 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. And your RHS is this part fully, wherever n is there, just put 1. Okay, so 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 2 divided by 3. So solving 1 plus 1 will become 2, again 2 plus 1 will become 3 divided by 3, cancel this 3 and 3, you will get your answer 2 ones are 2. So now your LHS and RHS is same, therefore LHS is equal to RHS, therefore P of 1 is true. So your first part is done. Now going to your step 2. Assume that the statement is true for n is equal to k. So we'll just declare the answer, that is for n is equal to k, the statement is true. So wherever n is there in your P of n, just substitute by k. Okay, so P of k is equal to 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus etc. plus k into k plus 1. So n has to be replaced by k. Okay, that is equal to, towards your right hand side also, wherever n is there, put k. So k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 divided by 3. So your step 3 is to prove that P of k plus 1 is true. So this we will have to prove it. Towards your left hand side should be equal to right hand side. P of k plus 1 is equal to, so wherever n is there, now put k plus 1. Okay, so is equal to 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus etc. Now n means you will have to replace k. Okay, so k plus 1. Okay, so k plus 1 into, again n is there, so k plus 1, one more plus 1 is there, so put that plus 1, which is equal to, towards your right hand side, wherever n is there, now you will have to replace k plus 1. Okay, so first k plus 1, second is n plus 1, so k plus 1 plus 1, third is n plus 2, so k plus 1 plus 2 divided by 3. So that is equal to 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus etc. plus here k plus 1 into k plus 2. 1 plus 1 will become 2, that is equal to here k plus 1 into k plus 2. 1 plus 1 here 2, again k plus 1 plus 2 is 3 divided by 3. So your next step is 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus, now try to replace your step 2 term. Okay, just see here k plus 1, k plus 2. Same way here 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2. So the next number, consecutive numbers are here. So here k plus 1 means the before number will be k into k plus 1. K plus 1, k plus 2. So the before number will be etc. plus k into k plus 1. Otherwise just see your step 2 last term and replace it over there, that will be correct. Okay, so once you decrease it and write it, otherwise just replace this term and see that provided this term it should be correct. Plus, now write this one, k plus 1 into k plus 2, which is equal to, this is their as it is, so k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3 divided by 3. We'll just mark this as equation 1. Now write your LHS. This whole thing you'll have to write it as LHS. Okay. LHS is, here this whole thing you'll have to write it. Okay. So it is 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus etc. K into k plus 1 plus k plus 1 into k plus 2. So this is your LHS. Okay. Just see the whole thing, that is 1 into 2 from here till k into k plus 1, that will be there in your step 2. So this fully, that is your LHS. You can replace your RHS here instead of this. Okay. K into k plus 1 into k plus 2 divided by 3 plus your second part will be there as it is, k plus 1 into k plus 2 equal to, just take your k plus 1, k plus 2 common, because in your first term also you will have that and in your second term also you will have it. Okay, so k plus 1 into k plus 2, I'll just remove it outside and write all the left out terms. So this is already out, so you'll have only k and k by 3. So k by 3 plus, here already k plus 1 and k plus 2 is out. Okay, so nothing is there means 1 will be there. So that is equal to k plus 1 into k plus 2. Now go for your cross multiplication. So k plus 3 divided by this 3 will be there. So just take it for whole thing divided by 3. And multiplication only. So you can take it for whole thing divided by 3. Check your equation 1 in your right hand side. See that whether you replace with same terms. Okay, so here k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3 divided by 3. And here also you will have k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3 divided by 3. Therefore you can write it as, which is equal to RHS. If you want you can write from 1. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, by the principle of mathematical induction, P of n is true for all n belongs to capital N. So this is the answer for your second question.